Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for the FITTE 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. Today we are going to draw about a double-ended spanner. It is very easy and simple. Draw one 45-degree angle. After that, draw here one line and draw here one line taperly. After that finishing, draw one circle, here one circle. It's a very easy and a simple. After that, make one curve, here one more curve. After that, cut here like this. Okay, after here one more like this, and take here one more curve, take here and curve, cut here. It is very easy and simple. And join this curve into this line and join this line into this line. Okay, here one more curve. This is a double-ended spanner. It is very easy and simple. And join this line, take this curve and join this. This is a double-ended spanner. Take here and join this curve here, join this curve here. It's a very easy and simple. Make this curve into join this curve and thanks for watching my channel. If you like this video, please share to your friends and put comments. I can do more videos. Thanks for watching my channel.